Can't install the Alexa app from the Play Store or not seeing it at all? This usually happens due to device compatibility issues, region restrictions, or outdated software for Android. In this video, I'll explain why the Alexa app is missing from the Play Store and show you how to fix it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you are up to date with the phone's software. Then try to clear the cache of the Google Play Store app. Now try to follow these steps. Open a web browser like Chrome. Tap on the search bar and type Amazon Alexa APK. Select a trusted source like APK Pure or APK Mirror. Scroll down and locate the download button. Tap on it and scroll down again. Tap on the download XAPK file. Choose the download path and tap download. Wait for the download to be completed. If the installation fails, you will need a file manager app like zArchiver to extract and install the APK. Then you need to get help from an additional app like zArchiver. I know it's annoying, but you have to do it. So go to the Google Play Store, search zArchiver, install it, then open the app. Allow access to manage files. Allow all the prompts. Select the file from the top. Now select the app like Amazon Alexa. Then tap Install. And then tap OK. Now install it. Now you can also use the Alexa app on your Android phone. And that's all. This is how you can install the Alexa app on any Android phone if you are missing this app in the Google Play Store. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.